We just got this 2006 Suzuki Carry in. This one is especially cool. It's actually got the power dump box.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up and check. I got a message on me, you know, flexing on me. My attorney
It's got AC in the cab.
My successes only made them envious, they got upset.
And we're gonna make this look totally different. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna order some parts, we're gonna get a lift, wheels, tires, some new coil springs in the front, a rear bumper, and a steering stabilizer for this bad boy. What do I gotta say? This is our third Suzuki Carry. This is our first one with the hydraulic dump on it. As you can see, underneath is very clean on this truck, and I'm excited to put this one to work. 12 inch. We're putting 14s on it though. Like hooks for the straps, but that would have made sense right there.
My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me. My successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check. You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my belt.
So can you see me in there? Straight on me? Oh God, just a sec. All right guys, we just checked out the Suzuki Carry that just got dropped off, and we just came inside here and I pulled up the website Mini 4x4 and we're gonna start ordering some parts. I got the cart all ready to go. We're getting the 2-inch lift kit. We're getting 300-pound front coil springs, the 14-inch mini digger tires, steering stabilizer, and a rear bumper so we can have a 2-inch hitch mount on the back. So this is going to set that Carry up to be very versatile on-road, off-road. We're going to put this thing to work and see what it can do. Like it was raw, like finish on it.
I know the one.
Yeah.
I wrote some down. There's some other nice ones. Are you stuck on 14s? Or can you have 15s?
No, you have to have 14s for those tires that I had on the last one.
Okay.
Like these.
So
there's no tires down, or there's no other tire that I know of. So that's what I was gonna.
What about just motivators? They have them small ones. Are they gonna be 25s?
23s.
Oh.
That's why. It's bigger, but it's not bigger.
Well, I have 5 written down. So I'll show you tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that a weird thing with this, that the 14s are a certain, you can only get them?
It's just the tires. Like they're 12s on there right now, 12-inch wheels, and there's no tires for 12-inch wheels. And then this Mini 4x4 has made this tire. Like they made a mold and everything. And the first tire I got was like an ATV tire, or ATV so to speak. It was a mini truck tire. It was DOT approved, but it was super loud. These ones were like way less noisy because they were real, like they're flat. The other one was rounded, just like a 4-wheeler tire. So I really like those ones, and they only make them in a 14-inch wheel. But they do sell wheels on here, which they're not bad, but like, well, they have all these other ones, but I just think that we can get a. That ain't gonna do it.